Good morning, WRCC fans. And unlike usual in Yorkshire, we're not rain dodging, we're heat dodging. It's been absolutely horrendous for the last couple of days, so the heat's died down this morning. So we've got this little beauty to show you. And what a cracker it is. 1950, maroon, two-door, Morris Minor Lowlight. They are rare. They're obviously not as rare as a Million or rubber wing van, but they are rare. We've only had probably a handful while we've been going for this past 10 years, and this is an absolute cracker. Great underneath, really nice paintwork on it. As you can see, there's the odd blemish on it. There's a blemish there just underneath the rear number plate on the boot. There's one by the hinge on the bonnet, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't set about painting this car. I'd leave it as it is. It's got so much originality and so much appeal to it. Absolute stunner. I mean, unless somebody comes and buys it quick, I'm really thinking about keeping it myself, this one, to be honest. We'll go on to portrait so we can get round it. So a quick walk round this way, then we'll go around again, then we'll do an internal. So 1950, 4 previous keepers. Lowlights have just got something about them. They're such a special car in my mind, or in my heart anyway. I think so much going for it. But the wings are all good. The underside's absolutely bang on. Structurally, it looks like it's never been welded, or if it has been welded or repaired, it's been done to such an extent that you can't actually tell. Just let this van go around, and then we'll have a look inside. So as I said, the exterior is nice and patinaed, and I hate that term, to be honest with you. It's usually a term for lazy dealers when something's a bit rough, but this is not rough in the slightest. As you can see, door reveals are beautiful on it. Headline is original, and it is I'll use that term again, patinaed, but no rips or tears. There's absolutely no reason why you'd want to change that. And it's a 3-piece headlining, well, 4-piece with a back bit, as opposed to the later type. Rear seats exactly the same. The cards, again, all original. Front seats, the tombstone seats, again, all original. There's a slight bit of lift in there, but there's no rips or tears in them. Carpet's all good. Parcel shelf's good. Obviously no heater. The heater were an optional extra in the original Moggies. 1 sun visor, 1 windscreen wiper. Art Deco dash, which has got so much character. In my personal opinion, which probably don't count for much with people, to be fair, but as the cars went on into the Series MM, you know, the Series 3, Series 4, Series 5, they become better to drive, but they lost that charm, and this is, well, it's immense, to be fair. Showing 69943 miles. You've got your original dealer's sticker there, which is just a piece of class. We'll get started. It needs a new dynamo. The bearings on the dynamo have gone, but obviously that'll be done before she leaves. I didn't put the ignition on, that's why I didn't start first time. Have a look at her. It's just had a £2.5 engine rebuild, so you can buy with peace of mind. Super clean under here. Inner wings, tie plates, everything's absolutely perfect. As I say, that rattle, which I don't like, is the dynamo bearings. So put a new dynamo in it. I'll pick you back on the portrait. That'll be sorted out tomorrow. She only arrived yesterday, to be fair. but we thought we'd just get her up for sale, get her out there, show her off to the world. It's that good. Have a look in the boot as well. So in the boot floor's all perfect, inner wings there, as you can see, are all perfect. Boot lid's all nice and clean, as you can see. Aperture's all good, the wings to the body's all good. It just really is a nice car. I mean, put it back on that way. As I said, be quick guys, because I can't see this one being around for too long. Drives lovely, structurally it's superb underneath, brand new reconditioned engine in. It's passed the West Riding bumpy road test, all the bushes and that are all in good order, really nice and smooth. It's on at 11,995, and I think that is a bargain. I'd pay that for it all day long. In fact, I might just keep it anyway. But to stop me from keeping it, give us a call on 01422 881221, ask for Dan in sales, send us an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk, or visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk, and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you. Be quick.